Hello students. Let's discuss some questions from the today's evening shift. First question we have is from a gaseous state. The question says a gas undergoes a process in which state variable changes from 1 atm 60 ml 27 degrees Celsius to p atm 30 ml and 77 degrees Celsius. The final state, the pressure of the gas is not given. So we need to find this pressure of the gas. Of course, because the number of mole of gas is not changing, we have to assume this. So we can just equate the initial number of mole and final number of mole and find out this final pressure value. So if we solve this question, we can just say that P1 V1 by T1 should be equal to P2 V2 by T2 because number of mole of gas should be same. So if you just relate this equation, you will write P2 as equal to P1 V1 by T1 multiplied with T2 by V2. Now you just have to substitute the values of the pressure, volume, temperature which are given in the question. Please take care of this 27 degrees Celsius. It is in degrees Celsius. You have to convert this into Kelvin. So 27 degrees Celsius will be converted to 300 Kelvin and 77 degrees Celsius is just 50 degrees Celsius extra. So it will be 350 Kelvin. If you just take care of this conversion, if you solve all this, you will get the final pressure as 7 by 3 atm. That gives us the answer 3 is correct.
Share this with your friends and on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to the Narayana Group for daily solutions and complete JEE updates.